Welcome! You read the title, you saw the thumbnails. Today is gonna be a special day because we are gonna see if a noob like me can build a first ever PC. I'm not gonna waste any of your time, we're just gonna jump straight into the building. Hopefully you enjoyed that build. I definitely did. It was a quite stressful experience, but still made it through. I have been using it about a month now, and you probably wanna hear the bad news. No, I didn't blow it up. The problem number one was probably the hard drive mounts on the bottom of the case. That makes it almost impossible to do good cable management. So there's just no way you can fit the power supply cables in there without it looking like trash. And the second problem is like I just didn't know this, but in the top of the case there's two buttons. One is for the colors, the fan colors on the front, and the other one is fake. Well, I didn't know that. I thought it might have been like a RPM controller or something, but nope, there's no way you can control the fan speeds. So that's a bad stuff. Also, I really should have paid more attention to the motherboard pins. Like especially for the front header case thingies. Like I have no idea what the hell those pins are. And also it was a little surprising to see what kind of system the case fans had. Like I had no idea how that fan controller even worked. So I really should have paid more attention to that. Then there's the CPU fan. It makes this annoying whining noise on higher RPMs. So I don't know if I have installed it badly or if it's just faulty. I mean, the temperatures are fine though, but I probably should have gone with the radiator. And the last one is my graphics card. It makes this loud rattling noise on higher RPMs. So I don't know what makes the sound. I tried to look into it, but I just couldn't find what is making that noise. So I'm lost. You know what? Let me actually show you what the noise problem is. Hopefully you can hear something from this far away. So here, if I put on the CPU fans, I put them on full speed right now. And here, if I use the MSI Center's cooler boost for the graphics card, you can hear the rattling. Yeah, I don't know if that's a faulty parts or something else, but the system works fine, temperatures are good, so overall it was a nice experience and definitely had fun building it. So yeah, hopefully you had fun watching this as well. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but we'll see after I post it. So yeah. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Have a great day.